So welcome to the KITP. I'm Lars, Bildsten, the director here. It's really my pleasure to have all of you with us this year. As you know, this is a long tradition of having these conferences, one-day conferences for high school physics teachers, and I always start by encouraging you to tell your colleagues that this is an opportunity that persists, and Maggie will talk a little bit, maybe towards the end, about when the next one will be, because we do know, and we do know the topic. It's in her head. Good. She's pointing to her head, so that's a good sign. And so I really want to welcome all of you. The activities here are funded by the National Science Foundation, so I just want to say that out loud. It remains true, and let's hope that remains true forever. As you know, the main activity at the Institute are long programs, physicists coming here for long periods, and we take advantage of their presence to bring content to you. And so when we had the cardiac dynamics program here, we decided, boy, that would be a fun one because it's different than maybe what we've usually been doing. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I know they're pretty excited. They're sitting in the back like the pit back in there, and Flavio is ready to roll. But let's first start by really acknowledging and thanking KITP staff. So I want to first thank Maggie Sheriffs, who's been the doing all this work for a number of years and is also always eager for input and surveys because it really is something we want to document the value of what we're trying to achieve here with all of you. And of course, Claudia, who keeps everything running here. Thank you, Claudia. Claudia's email is here just in case you haven't given her what you need should you wish to be reimbursed. That's usually motivating. And Craig Kunamoto, who's here for IT. And probably who's on the recording? It's KITP Craig today. Okay. Yeah, and as all of you know, we also record everything, and so this resource that you're about to experience today will be, of course, available to you and to your students. The real intent of this is to engage with all of you throughout the day, and we also have a number, not only just the program participants, we have a number of KITP postdocs who will be joining us for lunch and break. So please, we've asked them to distribute themselves at the tables for lunch. So let's be certain that that happens and also that you enjoy those dialogues. Otherwise, I'm looking at Maggie who's waving. There's more she needs to, anything else I've missed, Maggie? Microphones.
Right, yes. On the note of all talks are recorded, your questions are a really valuable part of what's going on. So please, when you want to ask a question, raise your hand and somebody will bring you a microphone.
Yeah, great. Okay, thank you, Maggie. So otherwise, all of the breaks and the lunch are in the courtyard, which is on a diagonal. The restrooms are down the hall to the left. And there's also another restroom down on the right. And otherwise, should you need to go on the internet, but I doubt it, you can use EduRoam or we have the KITP over here, which is another, and we used to have airport 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for about 25 years. We changed it to harbor. So that's the industrial password we have. So should you need that. And so I want to hand this over to Flavio, who I think is going to start and give us the first little talk. And then Maggie's going to be the timekeeper for the meeting. Flavio, I'm warning you that Maggie's going to be keeping the time, and he's going to hook you up.